but you'll notice that it's sort of off. And so what we can do is we could actually make it a little bit better in we could update this in real time so that we get the right effect that we want by just sort of centering it around this right here. And so we'll update this in real time. So I'll go to the George Floyd model, and I will just say in the position, we don't want this to change. So I'll actually just undo that. But we probably want our Z to change. That's a little better. Actually, if we just do 0, we'll see how that looks. No, that still isn't sort of spinning as much as I want it to be. So if I do that, that is, I mean, I'll take it. That looks a lot nicer. You know, it's spinning more around this. And then let's see how the scale does. And the scale looks like it works too. Looks like it's still sort of in that anchor. Suppose we could try maybe 0.4. We'll see if that works. Still a little bit, I would say maybe like a 0.7. Yeah, that is perfect. That is exactly what we want. So it scales and it spins on that anchor so that it's not all wobbly. And so one thing to note is do not click play yet, because if you click play, then all the stuff that we did up until this point will be lost. And so what you can do is you can go to the 3 dots here. We're going to click those. We're going to copy component. Copy that component. And so once you copy that component, it's going to copy these values. And so when I click play or unclick the play button, these values are going to go back to the way they started when we first, before we click play. And so notice it and notice how they're back here. So all we're going to do is we're going to go to the 3 dots again. We're going to paste component values and notice how this is exactly the values that we had before. So we'll go ahead, click save, save the project, and we'll click play again. And now when we test it again, everything is centered again. So we have our ×4, and we have our rotation like that. And so that's how you test it out, and that's how you test it out in real time. So now that we have it, it's not as buggy anymore. We will undo the play button, and we're ready to build out our app and try it out in the real world.